Este es Ron Coney de enacomputers.com. Otro video para ti hoy muy rápido. I'm not in the mood to fuck with printer problems, but I'll quickly go over this one because I got to get these out of my queue. Let's cut to the chase. Brother DCP 1255, I think that's DW. Scanner driver. I am unable to use my DCP L2550 DW. Yeah, that's the correct model. That's a different type model. Anyways, who cares? To scan. Well, that's because you don't have a brain. That's just 90% of the clowns I deal with, they don't have a brain. Let's move on. I downloaded in November. There is no manual. Well, who cares? You could have found one if you performed an internet search. There probably was a manual. If it was a brand new printer, it probably came with a quick start guide at the very least. If not, you can download them. It's a quick internet search. It's not rocket science. They have 2 laptops in the house. I just do not know how to scan, so I can attach my business software and email since I have no fax capability. Well, that's not my problem. Scans go to my wife's laptop, not mine. Well, why is that? Because you don't have a brain. I need the basics. Well, you need a brain first before you can deal with the basics. Now, this clown, I asked him what operating system he was using, and this clown replied with Windows 10 or Windows 365. I just heard somebody just made noises down there. I'm not aware of a Windows 365 operating system. Did this motherfucker teleport into the future, or does he know something I do not know? Does he have top secret knowledge from Microsoft and an impending future operating system called Windows 365? And my question is, what the fuck is Windows 365? I don't want to go on because this motherfucker wasted a lot of my time, and I was just crossed my fingers that this clown also did not request a refund, and I still got compensated. And I did get evaluated, so I received compensation. Okay, let's cut to the chase. If you do not know how to use technology, computers, scanners, printers, all-in-ones, fax machines, dumb devices, smartphones, get training. There are no excuses. There's internet searches, library, computer repair shops, colleges, blah, 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 blah. Ad nauseum, ad infinitum. That's tip number 1. Number 2, you cannot scan. Generally, you can't just connect a printer to your computer and expect it to work. No. It has to have drivers. It has to have a scanner driver. And it also has to have software that talks to the hardware, which is a driver. But it also has to have software that tells the hardware what to do. Well, scan the document. Okay, send it to the PC. Well, send it to email. Well, send it to PDF. It's not gonna, no. Chances are you can't just hook up any printer and just expect it to do everything. I will include a link in the description box below. The software, the IP print scan software for this scanner for Windows 10. You install it. It installs the driver. It installs is this HP? No, this is Brother. It installs the scan software too. That's it. I will also link. Is somebody eavesdropping out there, or I thought I heard somebody out in the hallway. I will also include a link to Brother that will show you how to scan. If you do not know how to scan, the document will show you how. It never fucking fails. Almost every time now. I try to record a video for YouTube. There's some clown out in the hallway. Just, it's bizarre. I can't explain it. So that's it. This clown just didn't install the scanner driver, didn't install any scanning software, and wondered why the fuck he couldn't scan. Well, just, I don't understand it. You know what I'm saying? Just, anything else? Here's a tip. If now, brand new printers, I haven't bought a brand new printer in like 20 years. And I've only owned 3 printers in my entire life. So I don't know for a fact. But I have set up, brand new printers, very expensive printers for corporations. And usually they have at the very least a quick start guide. I don't know if they come with a full-blown manual. They should, in my opinion, they should, but these fascist, crooked, criminal corporations are stingy motherfuckers. But all you have to do is perform an internet search. Bing, Google, DuckDuckGo, Startups, Google, fuck you, Google.com, whatever search engine you want to use. All you do is type in the model of your all-in-one device. In this case, Brother DCP 1255. That can't be the right model. Oh, it's an L. That's why it's fucking me up. It's a DCP L2550DW. Usually the model numbers are only 4 octets. They're not longer than that. That's why my brain just was fried, because I think I have a typo in my little... No, I don't script. Now, fuck you. I don't script. I don't script videos. I just have a text file, so I don't waste time. And I can, but no, I don't script anything. So, whatever. It's so easy. And most internet searches, all you do is type in the model and then driver or scanner driver. Three keywords. Model. You don't even need to type in the manufacturer, but you can. And almost always, it's top page of Google or Bing. Sometimes it's the number 1 link. Usually, my experience is top 3. Very rarely. Once in a while, I have to scroll down. But that's usually older hardware that is really not, it's pretty old. But most times when I look for a manual, bam, within seconds I find it. And then it's almost always in a PDF. And then you can print it out, you can download it to your computer, you can whatever you want with it. But you know what? When my eyes starts twitching, or my eyes start twitching, that tells me I need to leave, because I fucking work too much, and once again, I've had to fucking support printers that I fucking hate. Adios.